Damon Gawlik is going up against an incumbent, and the guy is like a freaking multimillionaire, and it's because he's been, shaking elbows with developers and government contractors and so for years. But Damon Gawlik does the hard work. He's a construction worker. I mean, he is the backbone of our nation, and he's a wonderful human being, and so is Justin Murphy, and we applaud both of those men for stepping up, for taking one for the team, for taking one for the party. But please, guys, join them. If you're in Camden County, join them tomorrow night at the town hall. It should be great. Of course, I'm sorry. Would you say? Exactly. It's all, If you don't come, Seth will knock on your door and say, get your butt up there.
Yep.